Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how a CSV export from any platform gets automatically transformed using Google AppScript and RegEx rules, then reconciled back into a Google Sheet, clean, structured, and ready to use. Exported CSVs are messy, inconsistent, and always need manual cleanup before they're useful for anything. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Hey, good afternoon. This is a demonstration in Loom video of the automation to take the Ringify export, which is an export done from the call logs here, and then export out the lead gen team with the lead call tags. We're going to do it for last month. I'm going to mark this as export and download that export. That goes into my local download file. If you go to paylitify.onealtx.ai, you see this web screen. We're going to choose a file, that upload file, and upload and convert. That's the first step. And that should take a little time. So once it's done uploading and converting, you'll see that it is uploaded as an RO file. In Google Drives, you'll see this particular screen under Webhook Archive. This is actually an older one from last month, which will be done every month. And so this is the file that it's going to work with as the source file, the pool log sheet file. It's already pre-populated after you do the conversion. The next step is to take the campaign sheet. In this particular case, I have a sample campaign sheet here. I copy that particular sheet into this field and then run the update tagger. What it's going to do is it's going to take this status column and it's going to populate the status from the call logs into here. So I'm going to run the tag up there. And you'll see that almost immediately the tags were updated with the statuses on that particular sheet. If you want to see the sheet just to see, it's going to be this field right here. Okay. So that actually stays there for a little while until it's moved to the archive folder, which I'm not going to do right now because that's the last month and it's always nice to kind of have. But that's it. Any questions, give me a call. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
So that's the CSV export and sheet reconciler in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit onealtx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.